Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure Zarchiver has storage permission. Without it, you cannot scan. Next, stop adding files or installing apps, because every write can overwrite recoverable data. Open Zarchiver and browse to the folder that once contained the file. This narrows the scan and speeds recovery. Once there, make sure to enable Show Hidden Files and any archive previews so you can spot remnants. Now you're ready to run targeted checks, rather than a blind full disk attempt. Once done, use Zarchiver's Search in Archives and filter by extension. This finds files tucked inside ZIP, RAR, or 7Z containers. You should preview entries when available, because extraction of the wrong file wastes time. Extract suspected files to a separate safe folder on external storage or OTG, not back into the original location. If archives yield nothing, make sure to inspect hidden system folders like Trash or Trash 1000 and temporary directories. They often contain recently deleted items you can restore. You finish by copying recovered content to a permanent backup location and verifying files open correctly. This confirms successful recovery. If extraction fails or files are corrupted, try opening the same archive with another viewer or use a dedicated Android recovery/forensic app, because different tools handle fragmentation differently. If you suspect overwrites, stop all writes immediately and consider connecting the device to a PC for deeper imaging. Remember, prevention matters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.